Hello viewers, I hope everyone doing well. I am drawing an eagle along with dots. It is a fairly easy drawing. I hope you will like my video. So please like, subscribe and comment to let me know how it turned out. Thank you. And please following my channel. Your support is really important. So please support me.
Is the key to healing. I thought that answers just took too long. Then suddenly I was motionless, and I don't know where doors opened up. I just jumped